Hello guys, so we are playing Squid Game. So we are here for another vlog. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapagawa ng vlog. So sa sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakakapag-vlog. So maglalaro tayo ng Squid Game. At tinatawag nilang Season 2. I think nagawa ko na yung Season 1 dati sa mga previous vlog ko. Or sa kahit dati pa. So ngayon gagawin naman natin yung Season 2. So we are here for another banger videos. So let's go. Season 2 man. So we are here na. Kung gusto nyo akong makalaro guys, ang pangalan ko lang sa Roblox is Sai the Great 12. Sai the Great 12. We're still here on the Squid the 18 or area kung saan nag-wait tayo hanggang sa makapasok tayo sa laro. So I'll be back guys after in a minute. So para mabilis-bilis tayo pag nasa laro na. So we are here na guys. So we are player. Welcome to Squid Game. This red light in light. So let's go. I'm still bacon, so I'm planning to upgrade more pa. So no move. I'm so good. Stop, guys. Don't move. What the Let's go. I made it to the first game. Dalawa naman yung mga matagal dito. Guys, go and do it. Go. Let's continue to the second game. What should be the second game? What the? So, nagawa sila ng sarili nilang like supposed to be parkour. Wait. Oh shit, man. The hell, it's so hard, bro. Why? So hard, dude. Yun. What should be the purpose of this? Ano ba yung kailangan natin iwasan? Like, what tag is this, man? Let's go. We can made it to the second or let's say third game. Kung second game ba to or something. Guys, we can made it. Guys. Ayun yan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Na. Let's go guys. Congrats on making it this far. So what? Ilang players na tayo? So let's see. Oh no, good night sweet. Oh no, this from the season 1. So, I need to hide. Kung season 1 yung pinipilitin pa tayo ng subukan yung lumapit. Oh no. You need to be extra more careful, huh? It's so dark. Parang lalapit dito kung kaya nyo matay. Patay kayo sa akin. Kaya nyo mapatay. Kung lalapit sa akin. Bro, what the don't stop any close here, huh? Matakot kayo sa akin. Kahit walang nakatakot kasi bacon. Sige, subukan nyo. Walang nakakalapit sa akin. Let's go bro, let's go. We can make it. Pagkisisihan yun pagka lumapit kayo sa akin. Kung walang gusto lumapit, ayos. Good job guys, good job. Okay, let's go. Paano kami magkakaroon ng good night and rest kung nagpapatayo naman dito man? Are you out of your mind, guard, ha? Oh no, this is season 1. I thought this is season 2, but let's go. Season 1 ulit. So, ito yung 2 piece. Okay, let's go. No. Let's go, bro. Made it. Guys, go. Madali lang yung sa akin. Circle. Let's go. In the second, I got octopus instead. So, comment guys kung ano pang gusto nyo baruin ko sa next video. So, comment lang kung ano gusto nyo pang nila. Oh, you don't know what the ito agad. Akala ko yung ano. No. Straight lang. I made it so far. So far, so good. No. So close, bro. Uy! Oh no. Kunti na lang. guys, we died on this. Let's survive kung pwede. Oh no, need drawback. Okay, give up tayo. We still got lost, but as we still did our best to make it pass, guys, sa mga games. Season 2. Season 2. Boat guys, in season 2, boat. The boat guys, boat. Season 2. Boat guys, season 2 man. Yun, nakapasok tayo doon. Kanina hindi tayo makapasok doon. What the How did they die? How? Comment nyo lang kung ano pang gusto nyo lagay the next game. So, we will play it. Season 2 guys, season 2. Yan, boat guys, boat, season 2. Season 2 guys, season 2. Starting 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's go in season 2. Season 2 again. See you in on Gusto ko sana kung maging guard tayo or frontman. So we are safe talaga dun. Welcome to Squid Game. What the heck? Wala to kanina. So red light, green light muna ulit. Kasi yun naman yung nasa first game ng season 2. Okay. Don't move guys, don't move. Mahaba pang oras. Ito yung gagalaw. Don't move guys, don't move. Let's go. Make it again. Mahaba-habang video pa nito guys. Isang upload na siya. Tuloy ko na yun. Nice guys. Good job guys. Good job. Sana like season 2 to, pero kung season 1 pa rin, it's still gonna be so good. Okay, season 2. Let's go. Ito yung pinagano. So we need some can we survive this? Ito yung sa season 2 na next game. Yo, let's go. Okay. Let's go close. Close. No, dude. We made it again. Oh no, this is gonna be so good. Yellow and green. Okay. So close. Okay. Okay. So close. Okay. So close. Okay. Second game. Come on. The time is fleeing. Go. No, pulpit. Shit. You will make it. Come on. No, you cannot make it this time. No, we cannot make it this. We have one revive. Oh. Oh no. Buti na lang may isa pa tayong revive. So sana yung mingle na yung sunod dito man. Wala tayong revive. So I think handa. No, Luka lalapit sa akin na. Let's go, ito na. Oh no, don't habulin dito, guys. I just revive. Singering do de, singering do de, sindro de sirino de go and then. La ringa 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 kung gusto nyo mga laro guys, ilalagay ko sa description yung pangalan ko sa Roblox. Side the Great 12 siya. Basta bacon yung ano niya, yung pagkakascore, sasabihin ko para no hitting bro, no hitting. Please, I want to be like ano, I want to survive this. Okay, one and survive again. Whew. The prize money, oh no. Ito na yung mingle. Okay. Wrong. Guard do not count. Oh, let's go. Ito na. No, 5 players. Go. First game. Okay, second game. Let's go, we ready to start. Where are the chats? We made it, guys. So much. Players, go. What the? Yes, cheater. Oh no. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe. So, ginawa naman natin ng best natin na makapasok sa pinaka-last. But we didn't make it. So, please comment your next uh, please comment your next one to to play. Comment nyo lang kung ano gusto nyo pang laro sa susunod na video. We will play it. So, yun guys, subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.